Trading Enterprises was established in 1987, headquartered in Abu Dhabi, the capital of United Arab Emirates. Liwa store represents some of the leading brands in the Gulf region, with more than 200 fashion stores. A contemporary retail store combines great ambience, an eclectic mix of art and fashion, and a world-class technology that complements the ease of use and improves the efficiency of store operations. Technowave is a leading solution provider in the field of automatic data capture technology and is growing in the field of innovation with radio frequency identification technology, RFID. RFID helps in a quicker updates of the usable stock count. The product in focus is called the Smart Pen, with an EPC barcoded on the top surface of the pen. No infrastructure change required to implement this, as the customer can use their existing anti-theft systems, technically called Electronic Article Surveillance System, and the detacher to remove the tags. Error-free warehouse operations with Technowave's EasyTrack inventory tracking system. Warehouses automation kickstart after picking the item from the pick list. Items picked are brought to a central location for packing, where the smart pens are linked to the product with two simple barcode scans. All items linked are then counted and put into the boxes and packed by marking the count on the surface of boxes. Boxes after packing are moved to the dispatch area to capture the box inventory. The boxes for dispatch to the retail store are now placed on a RFID tunnel reader designed by Technowave. The tunnel reader reads the contents of the box within a blink of an eye. This leads to considerable saving in time and improves warehouse efficiency by many folds.
In our operation with 200 plus stores spread in the Gulf region, we were having bottleneck to mobilize the workforce for stock counts. Due to the limitation of the process, we were limited to perform only yearly counts. We have always found discrepancies with no accountability, as we have a lot of staff movement between the stores.
RFID-based inventory tracking in fashion retail is like driving a Ferrari in a Formula 1. Very fast, good control, and reaches the milestone 20 times quicker than the barcode-based solution. The accuracy level is much higher, as it eliminates the human error of missing a scan.
Oh, it's so very easy now with no hassle of missing and rescanning.
We were looking for a suitable solution that can help us to do the inventory more frequently. We chose RFID-driven Smart Pen to ease our operations in warehouse and retail stores. We are now able to reconcile the stock on daily basis. We have recovered our investment within the first year of implementation with reduced stock pilferages. We are now rolling out the system to the remaining GANT stores across Gulf.
Garments are sold by scanning the Smart Pen barcode, and the system unlinks the Smart Pen for reuse. This is a two-in-one operation and saves the time of unlinking.
Stock count have become very easy, and we are able to carry out without prior planning and preparation. It takes only 30 minutes to do the stock count in the entire store, close to 3,000 pieces stocks with one personnel, compared to 10 people doing 60 minutes counting in the usual counting of barcoding.
Normally, stock replenishment from backstore is not tracked, since it involves a manual counting or scanning. With RFID technology, this process is automated by capturing the movement of stock between backstore and shop floor, enhancing stock replenishment, which improves the bottom line in a retail business.
Receiving and replenishment have become faster and more accurate.
Liwa chose the RFID technology for two main reasons. First one was we didn't have to change much because it sat in our operation procedure seamlessly. And second thing was the infrastructure on the security system didn't change much. Now we have accountability on the pilferage.